Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to buy crypto with your credit card on Trust Wallet. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently right now we are on our Trust Wallet homepage, and from here all you have to do is to search for the button in the middle that says Fund. Once you click on Fund, it's going to show you multiple options including Google Pay, Binance, Coinbase, or finally Buy Crypto. So you're going to click on the first option that simply says buy crypto, which is going to be card, bank transfer, or provider. And then from here, as you can see, it's going to show you a list of how much you would like to buy and for which currency. So for example, if we put for example 1, and then we choose for 1 USD, then it's going to show us that we can buy 200 USD for Bitcoin. And then from here, payment method, so we're going to select whatever card. And as you can see, there are multiple options for transaction middlemans, and so I would personally recommend MoonPay since it's the most convenient and usually the one with the lowest amount of fees. So once you click on MoonPay, click on continue, and then from here it's going to redirect you to a new page where you're going to enter your credit card details as follows. And from here it will require you to add a phone number just for verification. So for example, simply enter your phone number and then they will send you a text message for verification purposes. And then from here, once you write it down, it's going to verify the phone number, and then from here it's going to ask you to maybe verify yourself either with a photo or with an ID card. And then from here, going to click on resubmit in case you have tried before. And as you can see, there are details that you should provide. And then from here, it's going to ask you for your credit card details and you can buy it instantly. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.